Hi everyone, I'm Sonal Oswal and I help people overcome and deal with behavioral, relationship and career problems. In today's video, I'm going to explain you the effect of violent media on our behavior, mental health and how to understand this through your handwriting. How many of us really love watching crimes, murder mysteries and love playing violent games? Did we know it has a direct effect on our mental health? Research shows that constant exposure to violent media causes desensitizing effect and increasing aggression. What do you mean by desensitizing? It means basically you become less sensitive or understanding to the pains and suffering of other people. Now, increased anger. This is because as you keep watching the same thing again and again, you start believing that this is how the real world is. So this is the effect that it has on your mental patterns. Now the major risk of this anger is, if this anger is not directed properly, you resort to self-harm, meaning cutting yourself, hurting yourself or not eating properly. So this is a pattern which you adopt. Now how do you understand these things with the help of your writing? Now coming to the first way. When you make any mistake while writing, how do you cancel that word? If you use scribbling, something like this shows an increased desensitizing and anger. This basically means this is someone who cannot handle anger and will resort to a lot of destructive behavior. Now checking the second one, when you have tics in your writing. When we mean by tics, it basically means while writing, suddenly your ink becomes from dark to light. It's not something you do it consciously. This is called as tics. Tics also show anger, aggressive, a desensitized effect. So check for these two traits in your writing. So these are warning signs that you need to check for in others and especially in your kids' writing, and do reach out because this can definitely be changed with the help of counseling. So we are going to be doing a series of videos which is going to connect behavior, mental health to your writing. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to get informed and to keep learning. Do write to us if you want to understand more in detail of any specific topic, and we will definitely get back with a video. Do follow us on our social networking sites to keep learning more about behavior, mental health and handwriting. Till then, stay safe and thank you for watching.